Today we're in Crete and we're about to hike the Samaria Gorge. It's a 16-kilometre hike through Europe's longest and most spectacular gorge. As we make our way through the gorge, I'll be trying to complete today's Rome bingo card by finding all 6 items. Complete the card and I earn a reward. Miss even one item and it's time to roll the dice. Let's get started. Hopefully the views are going to be worth it.
I think I'd be too busy just looking at my feet. Sun shining in, probably.
Quite chilly though, isn't it? Just so high up.
Yeah, having those steps.
Yeah, lucky it's all downhill, right?
This isn't the start of the walk.
Yeah.
Can we take a picture?
We've just reached the old village of Samaria. Best picnic spot ever. So absolutely flying through this now. We've just gone past the 10-kilometre stage and soon we'll be approaching the Iron Gates. Spectacular, isn't it? Look at that. This is awesome.
That was nice.
Yeah, refreshing. 1 kilometre to go.
Hi.
What was your favourite part of the hike? Let me know in the comments. Spectacular. So good, yeah.
Thank you.
We're going to be sore tomorrow.
4 kilometers. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, round 2. Well, that's it, we conquered the Samaria Gorge. And what a way to finish. Cool off in the sea. Absolutely incredible.